Let's talk about personal protective equipment. Now, we know that if we're working around an industrial area, we wear a hard hat. We wear safety goggles, and if it's noisy, we wear ear protection. If we're around electrical, we wear the type of things we need to wear for electrical. So there's special safety equipment you wear according to what you're needing to do. In my travels, and we'll see this in the safety bloopers later, and these are all real, I'll share 3 of my favorites with you. Now, they deal with personal protective equipment. They weren't ignored, just a little different from what you would expect. The first, a hard hat. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, in Singapore, at an industrial plant, the men were wearing sponges on their head. Yes, tied around, and so something fell on them, you had a sponge. Not my first choice. Of course, it was a little cooler, and it was personal protective equipment. Did they have an attitude? Yeah. Was it safe? Nope. Not what you want to wear. I was in New Zealand at a yard that was building ships, and they were doing lots of grinding. So what they did to protect their faces in the grinding, they would wrap it with saran wrap. So they would just all around their face, poke a little hole in it, and you were good to go. Again, not my favorite piece of personal protective equipment. In Saigon, at a large industrial plant, they were doing a tremendous amount of welding. And there were 2 types of people doing welding. The guy that was going like this, and the guy wearing really great personal protective equipment. And I'm sure you'll appreciate this. Yes, his sunglasses, and you got it, a piece of newspaper. Not too great when you get a spark on it. So those are the kinds of ways you can kind of circumvent PPE. I don't suggest you try any of the 3, the sponge, the saran wrap, or the sunglasses with newspaper.